Apple just launched the 2023 iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro models, but as is typical with rumors, analysts, leakers, and others with insider information are already looking to the 2024 iPhone 16 lineup. The iPhone 16 lineup will bring major changes, with Apple expected to increase the size of the iPhone 16 Pro to 6.3 inches and the size of the iPhone 16 Pro to 6.9 inches, marking the first major size upgrade in several years. The size changes will be limited to the iPhone 16 Pro models, with the iPhone 16 models to stay the same size as the iPhone 15 models. Apple is designing new A-series chips for the iPhone 16 lineup, built on the latest N3E 3nm node. We could see some improvements to efficiency and performance, but we haven't yet heard details on just what we can expect. Capacitive volume buttons, power button, and action button could be introduced in all 4 iPhone 16 models, and the new iPhones are also rumored to have an extra mystery button that we don't know the purpose of as of yet. This roundup contains early rumors about the iPhone 16 lineup, and there is still plenty of time for Apple to change its plans, so information here may shift as Apple updates the design of the upcoming iPhone models. Apple created 3 prototypes for the iPhone 16 design, each with slightly different features. In all 3, there's a vertically aligned camera, which will likely allow for the recording of spatial video for the Vision Pro headset. One design had a pill-shaped iPhone X-style camera, while the other 2 had designs with 2 distinct lenses. Another of the designs included haptic buttons with a unified volume button, and the third has the 2-lens camera, standard mechanical volume buttons, a capacitive action button, and a new capture button.